And welcome back. The first large-scale clinical trial is underway to really help understand the safety and effectiveness of inducing a woman's labor at home. So this at-home method allows moms to begin labor at home instead of going to the hospital. First, co-principal investigator Dr. Alison Cahill from Dell Medical School at the University of Texas at Austin is joining us to tell us a little bit about that research. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start with this. How could that at-home labor induction make childbirth safer and more effective according to those findings from this clinical trial?
Yeah, well, of course, we'll see what we find. So we have a few more years to go. But I think that it's been pretty clear across the news that the rising cesarean rate is of concern, and the most common reason that we perform cesareans in first-time moms is because there are concerns about labor progress. And so, really, any studies that can show a better way to approach labor can certainly lead to a more safe and optimal outcome.
And how are you exploring at-home labor induction as a more equitable approach to childbirth?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, really, for women who undergo labor induction, they typically spend at least about another day in the hospital. And for many people, that extra day in the hospital can be quite burdensome. They're away from their families or their jobs or other sorts of responsibilities, and certainly away from the comforts of their own home. So, for patients who that's a particular strain for, we hope that this will bring an opportunity to potentially have a better intervention and a more equitable one.
And this is a 4-year-long clinical trial in first-time moms. You started this in May. What are the next steps? When could we see something like this really implemented?
Well, we have integrated into the study. Parts of the study are also to understand whenever we find what we find, how we might roll that out into practice. And so understanding barriers or other facilitators that might help us mobilize our findings into practice are actually built in and part of the study. So we really hope that our findings, with whatever they tell us, will help us have a broader reach fairly immediately after we finish the study.
Okay, Dr. Alison Cahill from Dell Medical School, thank you so much for joining us. If you'd like to learn more about that study, just visit our website at kxan.com.